Our intention should be to help all sentient beings who have been our mothers, and to bring them to the state of Buddhahood. We should never be self-satisfied and rest on our laurels, thinking that we have meditated well, that we have done retreat and are familiar with the rituals, or that we can chant and know all there is to know about the practice. This is an obstacle on the path, taking delight in worldly pleasures instead of in the Dharma. This is also a mistake. Learning comes from listening to the teachings. Evil is reversed through listening to the teachings. Futile ways are shunned by listening to the teachings. Bear this in mind. We should try to understand whether the teachings are expressed in the relative or the absolute sense, and we should make an effort to grasp the ultimate meaning beyond the words. Then we should practice it with an undivided heart. That is how to make sure progress. However, having experienced a taste of the Dharma, most experts, armed with their intellectual knowledge, allow themselves to be sidetracked into arguments and disputes with opponents, all for worldly satisfaction.